Today I will read some of the important points which I highlight in the book Idhi, A Mirror to the Blind, narrated by Tamina Durrani. Abdul Sattar Idhi said, "The strength of word lies in implementation, otherwise they are meaningless. Too many dialogue is scattered and waste. Say a little so that your words are remembered." Idhi Sahab said, "I have to do something for the people in Pakistan. The selfish ways that the best of us have taken to has heightened my passion to serve them. A volcano is stirring inside me. Like my grandfather, I was also hated to allow the invasion of anything surplus in my life. What would a man who possessed only two pair of clothes, had no home, rejected comfort, ate little food, need money for?" Idi Saab said, "I always prayed humbly that death might wait until my utility was extracted to its maximum. Lust for money is accompanied by 1,000 evils. Its arrogance separates man from wife, children, and community. Always be extra kind and gentle toward those who feel disrespected." At the Haram Sharif, standing before the Qibla, I realized that the King of Arabia prayed at our feet. Of course, it was my wife who pointed this out, whispering in my ear, "How did we land here?" I whispered back in hers, "To meet him who does not measure a king by different standards to a beggar." The 5-time ritual is a 5-time reminder to adopt a way of life. In fact, it is a reminder to pray, and prayer is a way of life. Struggle is the power of prayer. Idi said, "We don't need another Idi, another leader. We need a system that will create in its own people, one better than the other. Man is undependable. He is bound to depart and can therefore offer no security. We can depend only on a system." So AD advises to develop a system